Welcome to the download.
Downloading.
Hi, I'm Elijah. Welcome to the download. Let's make a manual brand. This comes in handy if you don't have a website to work with. This is also great practice for curating brands. From the AI page, click the Saved Brands button. Once you open this menu, you will see an Add Manually button above the brand menu. Click this and you will now have the option to build out a brand profile. First, let's go get our colors. Now, if you don't have a brand site, you can simply click on the plus sign here and add any colors from this color spectrum. If you do have a brand site, for our Chrome users, you can download this extension called Colorzilla. This extension allows you to copy the hex code of any color on a website with the color picker. Once you have the hex code copied, simply add a custom color and paste the code. Boom, we have colors, people. Next, we're going to get our images and logo. Currently, our AI only pulls in brand image assets when generating a video. So while uploaded brand footage will not be pulled in the initial generation, you can still swap it in post-generation in the Waymark editor. We recommend you still upload your brand footage here to keep all assets in one place. For our images and logo, if you don't have a brand site, simply upload your images here and use this tag feature to tag the logo. For our Chrome users, we have this extension called Image Eye. You can open your brand site, click the Image Eye icon. Image Eye will gather all your images from the site and display them on the right-hand panel. From here, you can individually download the images you'd like, or download in bulk. After your images are downloaded, you can upload them here. While our AI uses preset fonts on our platform, you can use this helpful extension called What Font to determine the font of a site. Simply click the icon once you're on the site you'd like to determine the font for, and hover over all the text to see what font's being used. You can even click the text to get more info on the font. And then go back to our site and choose the font that is similar from our font selection. If you don't have a brand site, you can simply choose a font you think would be appropriate. For the rest of the information, name, about info, address, number, you can simply type it in. And voila! We have a brand details we created from scratch. You can also do this to brands imported by the AI to ensure better video results. Save and close, or select the brand to use this curated brand to generate your next Waymark video. Have fun!